Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about what is open source, why to contribute open source, what is all about open source projects. Like you have heard about, like you have to contribute into the open source. Open source gives you opportunity in jobs, like experiences. So what is all about open source? So basically, most of the developers would agree like contributing to the open source can be intimidating as the first, but the right guidance, where to start, how to make your first contribution, you can overcome that the barrier begins meaningfully and everything will be there. So first of all, what is open source? So basically open source is a software with the source code, and with anyone can inspect, modify and enhance, contributing to the open source projects. Like suppose I have created one project and something about machine learning projects or cloud project, full stack project, but I need the developers should be there are some bugs in my projects, and I just want enhancement in my project. So I will push all those code into a place that is my GitHub, like open source, that is I will be pushing into my GitHub account, and I have multiple repositories, and I will create and gives multiple tag by suppose this is my project, okay, like SC static website deployment. So I just need like the person should be help in making changes over here and improving the quality of the code and something removing all those bugs. So here you will be the you will be as a developers, and you will be editing the code, and you will be by which you will be gaining the experience and expand their your portfolio. So understanding the open source, so open source has a source code that publicly accessible first of all, okay, like any allowing anyone to view, modify and distribute the code as they see it. Okay, so suppose I have let's quickly open any project, open source projects. Okay, and it depends on you if you want to contribute into the app development, if you want to use to contribute into the uh, any of the projects, like into the cloud projects, into the deployment projects. So any of the project you can contribute from your end. So when you go over here, you get something about more repositories, and let's me quickly open any of the okay, there are the 16 open source projects to contribute. So here if you go step by step, there are the Django, Flask, this all the this is providing. So you can go and you can search, like building your confidence, gaining valuable knowledge, all these are the things. Okay, so if you search like open source projects for the beginners, and if you will get a lot of hell of things on to the Google search engine, and you have to first of all read about the documentation, what is the first peer opportunities, you have to create the pull request, and what all those step by steps are big things there. So I will be going to create one separate video how to create your first PR, like how to contribute into the open source. But this video is all about what is open source, what are the benefits you get. So like as I told, open source like basically a publicly accessible thing, and allowing anyone to review, modify your code. The value of contributing to the open source are generally like improving your coding skills, okay, then expanding your network. Suppose if you want to expand your network into the open source, if you want to connect with the professionals world, so here open source give you most better opportunity to connecting with to the developers with your interest, like if you are interested into the cloud world, DevOps world, app development world, machine learning world. So that particular field you are connecting with to your seniors, professional worlds, and they share their experiences too for this. Like portfolio buildings also, like showcase your skills to potential employers when you're going to interview. If you see, like if you give, I have been contributing the open source, so this makes a huge impact on your resume and to the your portfolios also. Like so navigating our first contribution, we will be creating as I discussed, we will be creating one separate video how to contribute to the open source totally from zero to hero series. Okay, then you have to first of all like search the project, then understanding the contribution guidelines and selecting the good first issue, then we have to make the first PR. How do I start contributing to the open source projects? So like as I discussed, like you have to first about the read the documentation, what the project is all about, how to set up deployment and process guidelines, friendly beginner issues. Like first of all you have to just pull or make changes into the simple one, like which are the easier for one for you, then make to the go at the level one step by step above. Okay, so what are the things we have to do? So there are the major 4 steps we have to do. If you take any of the repository, you have to first fork the repository, then you have to create a branch, and then you have to make the edit to fix the issue, and then we have to create a pull request that is generally known as PR. Okay, so for this we'll do one thing. We'll take one repository, and we'll see step by step how you can fork. If you don't have the prerequisite, it's generally like if you don't have a GitHub account, you have to first have the GitHub account, then we will proceed to the further contributions part. So if I am a beginner, can I contribute? Yes, anyone, a beginner, advanced, like anyone can contribute. You are in doesn't matter you are in first year, second year, third year, any, it doesn't matter, you can contribute at any year. Like it generally helps in improving coding skills, gaining new knowledge, networking, portfolios, feedbacks, like all those particular things. Sometimes you also get the paid projects over here. So like if you contribute and the developers, the company owners are happy with your work, sometimes they paid you and they hire you as a developers also. So you can also contribute and start getting earning with the money. And there are more lots of things you can refer to this blog, and you can learn step by step. Now like I have already created how to contribute, like how to work with the GitHub. Like I have already created the video. I will be attaching that video into my description link, so you can check with the commands like git clone, what is git clone command, git remote command, git add command, how to add, how to check out, how to commit, all those things I have already created. So I will be attaching the link, so go and visit those particular links, so you will get a particular knowledge how to contribute in GitHub, how to use GitHub. And like this, as I mentioned, git add, git commit command, and there is a various like opening a PR request. So everything will do step by step into the upcoming videos, and we'll see how to contribute into the open source repositories and what all the steps you have to take. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any issue, or if you're seeking for any particular content onto a particular tool, you can just comment me into the comment section, and you can I will be try to create a video on that particular topic. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in next video.